Our industry, the whole financial industry, has always been a very fast-moving, very dynamic industry. And our bank is a very aggressive, very quickly growing bank. And one of the things that puts us ahead of our competition is the fact that we take technology very seriously. And NetDynamics, of course, has been a big part of that.
It's very important for Cisco to prove that the internet is a very exciting place to do business, not just in terms of, yeah, it's cool technology, but there is money to be made here.
One of the primary things that a lot of customers try to do on the web is tying to back-end data, whether it's in databases or in enterprise applications like SAP and PeopleSoft. So NetDynamics provides a really strong solution to enable customers to tie these back-end systems, enterprise databases, enterprise applications, in with web applications, which then enables them to make them available to anyone who can access their web server.
Bay Networks is an Oracle shop, but we do have some legacy Sybase, and it was key for us to be able to integrate both the Oracle and the Sybase together, as well as SAP when it was available. And NetDynamics was the only solution that provided that.
A lot of the applications that we're creating now are truly enterprise-wide applications. So we're talking about tens of thousands of users coming in. NetDynamics has so far proven to us to scale and to handle all the traffic that we've thrown at it.
When you go from 400 users to 33,000 users, you put a huge demands not only on the back-end system, but on your usability requirements with the software. The NetDynamics solution enables us to spread that load across multiple CPUs and put the client at ease that this demand is going to be met.
The fact that NetDynamics uses Java as its programming language gives us a lot of bang for the buck, because just about any other vendor that I want to integrate with either has a Java API, is developing a Java API, or if I ask them to write us a Java API, they'll jump on it because they want to do it.
We really didn't want to get tied down to a C++ or even worse, a proprietary language that a lot of the mid-tier servers were doing at the time. And NetDynamics' choice of Java as its server development side was very compelling to us. The cost savings that we find with NetDynamics is really on the ability to quickly and easily deploy applications on our intranet that will allow us to achieve efficiencies in operations.
The business benefits we've gotten internally have been very rapid, relatively inexpensive deployment of enterprise-wide solutions. One of the things that's really made a difference in dealing with NetDynamics has been the response we've gotten from the entire company. Everyone from the CEO, Zach Renat, all the way down through the whole senior management structure, all the way down to their tech support people. And that's made a big difference for us.
Essentially what NetDynamics does is they do whatever it takes to make the customer successful. You can tell when you're working with NetDynamics people that they're getting up in the morning and thinking about how to make this business application work for the customer.
NetDynamics, this is the third generation of their product, and we know 4 is on its way. You know, they're around for the long haul, and we pretty much banked on that, and we're going to help them be there.
At Cisco, we're very much a culture of leading edge and pushing the envelope in terms of our technology. And we felt that NetDynamics, with their energy and enthusiasm, would really be right there with us.
So what really gets me excited is when we can deliver a solution to customers that makes their lives easier, that enables them to solve their problems, right? That it's not just smoke and mirrors, it really works. And I think our partnership with NetDynamics really enables us to deliver that value to customers.
I have an open public challenge to every other software vendor out there to compare themselves to NetDynamics, and nobody's even come close.